The new Kimi update just dropped, and it's completely insane. I'm talking about slides that make themselves, with pictures that look like a real designer made them. In minutes, not hours, this changes everything about making presentations. You won't believe what this thing can do now. Kimi Slides just got Nano Banana Pro, and it's wild. This isn't just some small update. This is the kind of thing that makes PowerPoint look like it's from the Stone Age. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, how you can use it right now, and why this might be the biggest time saver you've seen all year. But first, let me tell you what just happened. So here's what's new. Kimi Slides now has something called Nano Banana Pro built right in. This thing creates designer level visuals like actual professional looking infographics, charts that don't look boring, images with text that actually reads right. You know how most AI tools mess up text in images? Not this one, it gets it right. In multiple languages too, but that's not even the crazy part. The crazy part is what Kemi K2 does with agentic search. This isn't like asking ChatGPT a question and getting an answer. This is different. Kemi K2 actually thinks through problems. It plans steps. It searches the web. It uses tools. It's like having a researcher and a designer working for you at the same time. And they never get tired. They never complain. They just work. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Here's how it actually works in the real world. You drop a PDF into Kimi Slides. Maybe it's a white paper, maybe it's your research notes, maybe it's a report someone sent you. You tell it to make slides, and it does. It reads through the whole thing, pulls out the important stuff, creates a full slide deck with visuals, with charts, with everything. And here's the best part. You can export it as a real PowerPoint file, full pptx. You can edit it, change colors, move things around. It's not locked in some weird format. I tested this myself. I gave it a 30-page PDF about marketing strategies, told it to make 10 slides. 3 minutes later, I had a full deck, professional looking, ready to present. The visuals looked like I hired a designer. The layout made sense. The text was clear. I didn't have to do anything except ask for it. Now let me show you what makes Nano Banana Pro special. This image generator is from Google and DeepMind. It creates images at 4K quality. You can put text inside the images, and it actually looks good. You can control the style, make it professional, make it colorful, make it match your brand. And it works in different languages, so if you need slides in Spanish or French or Chinese, it handles that too. If you want to learn how to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation tools like Kimi Slides, you need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share every AI tool and automation strategy I'm using to grow my 7-figure agency. You'll learn how to use tools like this to create presentations, generate content, and automate your entire workflow. Head to the link in the description and join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The thing that blows my mind is how fast this is. Making a good presentation used to take me hours, maybe a full day if I wanted it to look really good. Research the topic, find images, make charts, design each slide, fix the layout, tweak the colors. Now, minutes, actual minutes, I'm not exaggerating, from idea to finished deck in under 5 minutes. Now, let me show you exactly how to use this thing. I'm going to give you real prompts you can copy right now. These are prompts I've tested. They work. Just copy them and change the details to fit what you need. First prompt is for fitness tracking. Let's say you keep a workout log. Maybe you track your lifts, your cardio, your meals. You have all that data in a PDF or a document. Here's what you tell Kimi Slides. I have a PDF with my 30-day fitness log and workout plan. Create a 10-slide deck summarizing weekly progress, calorie burn, and key milestones. Add motivational visuals, charts for progress, and export as editable pptx. What happens next is wild. Kimi reads your entire fitness log, pulls out the important numbers, creates charts showing your progress week by week, adds motivational images, makes it look like something a personal trainer would show you. And you get it as a real PowerPoint file. You can show this to your gym buddy, post it on social media, use it to track your own progress. The visuals make it easy to see where you improved, where you need to push harder, all automatic. Second prompt is about travel. This one's fun. Maybe you're planning a trip, or you want to make a presentation about places to visit, or you're a travel blogger who needs content. Here's the prompt. Make a 12-slide presentation on top 10 destinations to visit in 2026. Include highlights, travel tips, and beautiful visuals of landmarks. Make it colorful and engaging, ready for export as pptx. Kimi goes to work. It researches the best destinations, finds amazing photos of each place, creates slides with travel tips, adds highlights about what makes each place special. The visuals are stunning, like actual travel magazine quality. You get 12 slides that look professional, that make people want to book a flight. And you didn't have to search for images, didn't have to design anything, didn't have to spend hours formatting, just ask for it, got it. Third prompt is for food and lifestyle content. This one's perfect if you're into cooking or healthy eating. Here's what you say. Generate a high-quality infographic titled 7 Easy Healthy Breakfast Recipes. Include images of dishes, ingredients, step-by-step icons, and colorful design. Output ready to insert into slides using Nano Banana Pro. This is where Nano Banana Pro really shines. It creates a full infographic with pictures of actual food that look real. Not weird AI food that looks fake. Real-looking dishes, lists of ingredients in a clean layout. Step-by-step icons showing how to make each recipe. Colors that pop. You just typed one sentence, and now you have content you can use for social media, for a blog post, for a presentation, for whatever you need. Fourth prompt is about learning something new. Let's say photography. Here's the prompt. Create a 10-slide deck on beginner's guide to photography. Include essential tips, camera types, and visuals for composition techniques. Make it visually appealing with editable slides for export. Kimmy builds you a full educational deck. It explains different camera types, shows examples of good composition, gives you tips that actually help, adds visuals that make the concepts clear. This works for any topic. Change photography to guitar, or cooking, or coding, or investing. The structure works for everything. You get a teaching tool ready to use, ready to share, ready to learn from. Now let me tell you how to make this even better. When you prompt Kimmy Slides, be specific about what you want. Tell it the style, tell it the colors, tell it how many slides, tell it what kind of visuals. The more you tell it, the better it performs. Don't just say make slides about dogs. Say make 10 slides about golden retrievers, include pictures of puppies, use warm colors, add fun facts, make it engaging for families. You can also refine things after it creates the deck. Don't like a slide, tell it to change it, want different colors, ask for that. Then export the whole thing, use it in PowerPoint, use it in Google Slides, use it wherever you need it. The combination here is what matters. You get agentic search from Kemi K2. That handles the research, handles the thinking, handles the planning. You get slide creation. That handles the layout, handles the structure, handles the formatting. You get Nano Banana Pro. That handles the visuals, handles the design, handles the graphics, all in one place. No jumping between tools, no copying and pasting, no headaches. You can try this yourself right now. Go to Kimmy Slides, drop in a file or give it a topic, tell it what you want, watch it work, see how fast it is, see how good the output is. If you want to master AI tools like Kimmy Slides and learn how to automate your entire business workflow, join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share every AI automation I use to run my agency and create content. You'll get access to exclusive training, templates, and strategies that will save you hundreds of hours and help you scale faster. The link is in the description. Join us and let's automate your business together. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.